Good morning po sa inyong lahat. I just want to share with you guys ang aking napakasimpleng table settings for tomorrow's birthday celebration. So, I'm celebrating my birthday tomorrow. Actually, it was on March 17. But since very busy po kaming lahat, kaya bukas po ang napakasimpleng celebration with family and friends. At syempre, after lunch, dito ang dessert and we're going to cut a cake. So, nag-order na rin ako ng cake from Portos. At ito nga, naka-ready na ang cake stand at ang table napkin and utensils na gagamitin po for tomorrow's celebration. At syempre, ang dessert plate. At ano ba ang bagay sa cake? Hindi ba't coffee? So, ayan, ang coffee mugs po ay ready na rin. At hindi kompleto ang celebration kung wala tayong red wine. So, naka-ready na ang ating mga wine glasses. At ang red wine for tomorrow. Ang chocolates, ang almonds and nuts, ready na din. So, ito lang po ang napakasimpleng table settings para po sa celebration namin bukas. So, sana po ay nagustuhan ninyo itong napakasimpleng table settings that I did few minutes ago. Alright, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys later. Bye.